Hello everyone, welcome to LedInCloud LED channel. If you are looking for most cost-effective LED screens for indoor fixed, let's check one of our best-seller, MA640.
The cabinet measures 640 by 480 millimeters, 7 kg, and adopts a 4:3 golden ratio design, delivering an optimal viewing experience. With module dimensions of 320 by 160 millimeters, the cabinet features a humanized handle for effortless mobility. The LED screen supports front-side maintenance. Equipped with magnetic LED modules, it can be removed in just 5 seconds using tool from the front. Simple and convenient. Boasting seamless splicing with quick locking mechanisms and streamlined internal wiring, the cabinet enables perfect assembly. Multiple installation options are available: direct-to-wall mounting, hanging, or a rear steel frame for support when the screen size is large.
The most popular pixel pitch is 1.86 and 2.5, which is commonly used in meeting rooms and indoor advertisement. For MA640, this is also popular sold in countries like East Asia, Africa, and South America, due to the consistency, quality, and the competitive price. The lifetime is 100,000 hours, and we offer 3 years warranty. Choose a durable products would save you a lot of headache when it comes to an issue. If you want more details, welcome to leave a message to us. Thank you for watching.